back up again. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, I always pack 1 or 2 trash bags with me for my dirty laundry as I go along. I know some people have some fancy laundry bags, but I'm cheap, so trash bags work just fine. Okay, on this side, I like to put my sweaters and my jeans and things like that. So I brought 1 athletic jacket because I am doing a little bit of hiking and I'm not sure what the weather's gonna be like. It could be anywhere from 55 to 65. I have a jean jacket for daytime or nighttime. And then I brought 1 skirt. Well, technically it's a sport. Then I brought 3 bras and sticky boobs, nude, patterned in black, but especially that nude and black is always important to have. A nighttime satchel. So what's really important here is to make sure that you have something that zips. My phone was stolen in London because I had one of those bags that just has a button. Okay, let's talk about jeans. So I brought 3 pairs of jeans in different washes. And then last but not least, I think anywhere you go, no matter what season, it's always a good idea to bring a sweatshirt. Okay, so now under my clothes, I like to put this in the zipper, my shoes under. So I have a pair of black over the knee boots that I wrapped around and then put in plastic bags. And then I have a pair of black Steve Madden fashion sneakers, again in those plastic bags. But this is really just to walk around the hostel or use in the hostel shower. Some daytime shirts. I have 1 long sleeve turtleneck. This. So what's important about all of these shirts, you can see they're kind of in the same color scheme, right? They're all black, white, gray, and yellow for the most part. So I think that's important because now you can mix and match them with any of the jeans that you brought. And then I also brought a long sleeve black cardigan. So this cardigan can be worn with any of these shirts here, and that's what makes it really versatile packing. I go into this in more detail on my packing video, so definitely check that out. In here, I have a few pairs of socks and 2 cami tees. I also talk about this in my other video. I always find cami tees to be very versatile, especially if you're going on a trip where it might be a little bit colder. You might want to have that cami tee on under your shirt. Here I have bodysuits, so I have a bright yellow one, I have a black bodysuit, and then 1 bathing suit because I am going to the south of France. So what's important here is that this bodysuit can go with the skirt that I have, any of the jeans that I brought. I brought a fanny pack because I think it's fun and cute, and then I just have some socks in there. Oh, and packing in these just helps you save space, and also you don't want underwear flinging all over the room, right? So if you have them in these bags, it's easier to find. And then, like I said, we're doing some hiking, so I did bring 1 workout shirt and 2 pairs of leggings for travel days or, you know, those hikes or anything like that. So on the train, I will be wearing my Nike sneakers, gray joggers, sweatpants that could be used any other day as well. My biggest sweater that I brought, because this was a pain to pack, so if I wear it, then I don't need it in that bag, which is good. And that's gonna be with a bralette. And then a scarf as well. Also, make sure you pack in that color scheme. Look, any of these shirts can go with any of these 3 pairs of jeans. So I could wear the boyfriend jeans with a white t-shirt during the day. At night, I pair it with black jeans and over-the-knee boots, and that's a nighttime look, right? Same idea, I could wear the black bodysuit with blue boyfriend jeans during the day and sneakers, and then at night I can put on a skirt and the over-the-knee boots, and that's a nighttime look. All of my makeup and toiletries are going in the backpack that I am bringing as my personal item. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you subscribe below. And as always, you can find more information and a full packing list on my website at planetochampagne.com. Thanks for watching. Bon voyage.